Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Open Settings on your iPhone to begin enabling Personal Hotspot for other devices. Tap Cellular, then tap Personal Hotspot, or tap Personal Hotspot directly from Settings. Flip Allow others to join to on and set a Wi-Fi password that is at least 8 characters. Keep cellular data turned on if your carrier provides hotspot access on your plan. If you use family sharing, toggle family allowances to permit automatic connections for trusted members. Select 4G or 5G in the cellular options if you prefer a faster mobile data band. Your hotspot name will match your iPhone name shown under Bluetooth and Wi-Fi lists. Connect other devices using Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or a USB cable to share your iPhone data. On the client device, choose your iPhone name from Wi-Fi networks and enter the hotspot password. To use USB, plug your iPhone into a computer and select iPhone from network preferences or adapters. For Bluetooth, pair the devices in Settings, then select your iPhone as the network or internet source. iPhones commonly support about 5 simultaneous hotspot connections, depending on carrier and model. You will see a blue bar or blue bubble showing how many devices are currently connected. Monitor data use in Settings to avoid unexpected overage charges from heavy connected devices. Optimize battery life by plugging your iPhone into power while running a hotspot for extended periods. Low power mode can reduce performance, but generally still allows Personal Hotspot to function normally. If devices cannot connect, try toggling Personal Hotspot off and on from Settings quickly. Restart your iPhone or reset network settings if connection issues persist after simple toggles. Ensure your carrier plan supports hotspot and check for any APN updates required by the provider. Keep iOS updated to the latest version to maintain compatibility and security for hotspot features. If you need more speed, prefer 5G bands and limit connected devices to reduce contention.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.